Okay, sir. Sir, may you introduce yourself, sir?
Afambo Eze Ikem W. Awasi, the Ezib of Solo, the chairman of Ndiezude in Lagos State, the vice president general of Ndieze Nozije outside Igbo land and overseas.
Okay, sir, for the benefit of those that don't understand the Igbo, may you in brief summary tell us why you are here today? We were seeing these banners.
Why I'm here today is because of our late Ezib of Lagos, Eze Hyacinth or Hazunike OON, woman, the second of Lagos State, the Ezib of Lagos.
What is happening, sir? That's what we mean.
Why we are here is we are doing his service of song. It's very, very unfortunate and very, very painful to us to lose him at his tender age of 77 years.
How will you describe the late Eze?
Yeah?
A very short summary. How will you describe him, his person? Who was he before he died? How can you describe his person?
Eze Enrique is somebody who moves things to happen. He's a very kind man, very generous, very kind. The founder of Eze Ibonozi. He is one of our board of trustees in Nigeria and overseas.
So you are saying his reign was a very peaceful and remarkable time.
He reigned in a very peaceful manner in a very short time. We're not really happy with it.
So can it be said that the Ezes who you represented as chairman are pained over the death of this?
Yes, the Eze I represent is a very big tragedy to us. Everybody is in pain because of the death.
Thank you very much, sir.